जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्ययोगमो 16th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that some Mahatmas try to see me in every form in this world. That means they do observe, they do perform Jnana Yajnam. I am giving you some examples that how those Mahatmas perceives in different forms. Arjuna, I am the Kratu. That means one of the category of Vedic sacrifices such as Jyotishtoma and all other Kratus. And I am the Yajna. I am the Svadha. That means offering to ancestors. I am the Voshadhi. That means herbs which are offered into Agni. I am the mantra chantings by which offerings are made. I am the ghee. I am the Agni. I am the oblation. Like this, in several forms, Mahatmas try to perceive me. That is how they perform Jnana Yajnam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us how we can practice to feel Paramatma's presence in several forms and in several activities. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Aham kratuhu, aham yajnaha, svadhaham, aham aushadham, mantroham, ahameva आज्यम, अहम अग्निः, अहम हुतम। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma says, if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, and saying that, O Vidura, from Chaturmukha Brahma's hair, Ushnik, that is a meter called as Chandas, that came out. And from Chaturmukha Brahma's skin, Gayatri Chandas, and from his flesh, Trishtup Chandas, from Chaturmukha Brahma's bones, Jagati Chandas, from Chaturmukha Brahma's fat, Pankti Chandas, and from Chaturmukha Brahma's pranam, life, Bruhati Chandas. All these Chandas comes out from him. And then letters also comes out from Chaturmukha Brahma. From his life, the letters Ka until Ma, all these letters comes out from Chaturmukha Brahma's life. And from Chaturmukha Brahma's Indriyas, sensory organs, the letters Se, Sha, Sa, Ha comes out. And from Chaturmukha Brahma's strength, Balam, the letters Ya, Ra, La, Va comes out. And from Chaturmukha Brahma's pleasure, the Saptasvaras comes out. O Vidura, now Chaturmukha Brahma again does a sankalpam to bring out some of the rishis so that they can do more srushti. In that aspect, Chaturmukha Brahma feels that Aho Adbhutam Etat Me Vyaprutasya Api Nityada. Though I am all over, the Srushti is not developing as much as I want, because Paramatma is not helping in doing that, it looks like. Chaturmukha Brahma feels that and then again does Daivancha Avekshataha. He does Daiva Dhyanam, Paramatma Dhyanam. After that Dhyanam is done, Chaturmukha Brahma could make himself into two parts. Tabhyam Rupa Vibhagabhyam Midhunam Samapadyata. That became one male and other one female. So male and female came out from Chaturmukha Brahma. Then onwards, the union of male and female begins, which is known as Midhunam, and that is how Midhuna Srushti begins. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 16th sloka. Aham kratuhu. Aham yajñaha. Svadhaham. Aham aushadham. Mantroham. Ahameva ajyam. Aham agnihi. Aham hutam. Aham kraturaham yajñaha. Svadhaham aushadham. Mantroham ahamevajyam. Aham agniraham hutam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.